The cop going after that guy that did that U-turn?
Yep. Karmic justice.
Why isn't he over there? I'm sorry, Mike Jack got cooked today. He did.
He got flambéed. He got grilled.
He got
sauteed.
Sous vide, like the whole deal.
All of it.
I mean, broiled, the whole deal. Like, however you want to describe it. I don't want to pile on the guy, but I mean, George Pickens gets 160.
Siri, call 911.
Call in emergency services. Call in now.
Hey, man. Hood wasn't closed.
Okay.
Okay. Oh! 713. You're fine.
That guy's thing just fell down. Look at
Yeah.
his whole
Well, undercarriage is
undercarriage just fell down and now
it's exhaust pipe.
kind of flew off to the side.
We are in. So I'm not going to crow yet, but I do think Liverpool have some tactical issues, which I do not think are easy to resolve.
Yeah, and I'll say this. I think there's serenity for fans, and I think there's serenity for the players.
Oh. Just get off the freeway, babe. Get off. Stop! Babe, stop! Babe, stop!
Look at those masks. Oh my god.
It's a standoff. They're like, go behind me. And they're like, no.
Oh my god, it's happening. It's that thing.
Wow.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. It was just so...
And the second is at City View and Teston, just west of the 400. Head to Specsavers to get 2 pairs of glasses for only $99 in their conditions and exclusions apply. See Specsavers.ca. Taking a look at the
So, thank you.
Orospu çarptı çocuk. Göt herif.